This is Trayanne with FRVTA, and I am at the JetBlue Park in Fort Myers for a sneak peek at the 2024 Fort Myers RV Show. Are you in the market for a new RV or looking to upgrade your current one? Well, you've come to the right place. The Fort Myers RV Show is the perfect opportunity to see the latest models and features in the industry. This is the 38th year for the Fort Myers RV Show, and this one is lining up to be the best one yet. 10 local dealers have brought their very best new RVs to our new location in JetBlue Park in Fort Myers. This is the first showing of the new 2024 RVs in Southwest Florida. Here you can take a closer look at all of the models and compare your favorites side by side. This is a great opportunity to really get a feel for the features and amenities that each one has to offer. Why drive from dealership to dealership when we have brought them all to the JetBlue Park for your shopping convenience? Whether you're a seasoned RVer or just getting started, this event has something for everyone. The show features a wide variety of RVs of all classes and prices, including spacious and luxurious Class A's and Class A diesels, family-friendly and easy-to-drive Class C's, and Super C's, nimble Class B camper vans ready for the city or your off-road adventures, luxurious fifth wheels, fifth-wheel toy haulers, travel trailers of all sizes, from destination trailers to ultralights, toy hauler trailers, and teardrops. We even have park models and truck campers. One of the great things about the Fort Myers RV Show is the large vendor tent. You'll find everything from RV resorts and RV lifestyle products to finance and insurance companies. Plus, you'll be able to talk to experts who can answer all of your questions and help you find exactly what you need to make your next trip unforgettable. And if you're hungry or need a frosty beverage, we will have a large concession tent at the show. The 2024 Fort Myers RV Show is the ultimate destination for anyone who loves the freedom of the open road. Don't miss your chance to explore the latest models and learn more about the RV lifestyle from the experts. As you enter the show, stop by the iPad table to register to win the grand prize of a $500 gift card or one of two $250 gift cards. The 2024 Fort Myers RV Show is at our new location, JetBlue Park in Fort Myers, on January 25th to 28th. The gates are open Thursday to Saturday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. and Sunday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, FRVTA, for sneak peek and opening day videos of all of our regional, multi-dealer RV shows, the annual Super Show, and highlights of our amazing Florida attractions, state parks, and RV resorts. Thanks for watching, and we will see you at the show.